Nigeria, like other countries, is coming up with more creative and realistic measures to cope with and even overcome the economic crisis occasioned by the coronavirus pandemic. The Minister of Finance, Zainab Ahmed, at the public hearing on the Finance Bill 2020 says amendment to tax laws is one among several mechanisms of ensuring efficiency in the management of financial resources for optimal benefits. National Assembly correspondent Lami Ali reports.
Feelers as the National Assembly have its 2020 legislation drafted to support the implementation of the budget cannot be overemphasized for the executive and legislative arms of government.
The finance bill which we have gathered here to consider and to contribute to will determine, amongst other things, our ability as a nation to fund the 2021 budget, meet the obligations of government, and implement policies to build infrastructure, address the problem of insecurity.
Ensure that there is a balance between broader macroeconomic strategies to attract investments, to grow the economy, to create jobs, as well as the immediate fiscal strategies that are needed to accelerate domestic revenue mobilization.
The finance bill seeks key reforms to specific taxation, customs, excise, fiscal and other revenue-related activities to support the recovery of the nation's economy from the impact of COVID-19. At another level, the House of Representatives Ad Hoc Committee on COVID-19.
Was there a central coordinating mechanism for the COVID-19 expenditure? I know the activities were centralized and coordinated. What about the expenditure?
The federal government, through the Accountant General and the Central Bank, they opened an account in the Central Bank, and the Accountant General opened 5 receiving accounts in commercial banks, into which monies were paid by the donors.
We have also supported the state through the World Bank project with about 100 million naira each, in order for them to do the work that they need to do themselves.
The meeting enabled post-mortem of measures adopted to tackle the pandemic to further chart a way forward as the second wave of the health crisis lasts. Lami Ali, NTA News.